Hey guys, welcome back once again. In this video, I am going to show you how to use a spread operator. So, let's get started. A spread operator is a new feature of ES6 which allow us to spread a object or array. Let's understand what is meant by spreading a object. So, I can define a array here, called it at ARR, and I am putting some value inside. Okay. Now let me write here simple console.log. Okay, ARR. So what I will get here? Let me execute this. So I have one array and I am printing. That's it. So I am getting this array, right? Let me write another one line here, console.log, and how we can use a spread operator. So 3 dot we have to give before that, and the object name, so array. Now let me save. Can you see what is difference between both? This was the array, and now after the spreading, this is not array anymore, right? I have this element 1, 2, 3. Now, so let's understand how we can use our way. So let me define a function const add, and it is going to take 2 parameters, x comma y. The next, what it will do, it will return the sum. So I can write here x plus y, right? Now in order to call this function, what can I do? Add, and I have to pass 2 parameters, right? Now let's print this result. So console.log and execute this. Okay, spelling. Okay, so as you can see here, we are getting 6, right? So as you can see here, I am passing parameter like this. Now I can modify something. I can write here const, and I can write params. Okay, that means parameter, and I can define here in array, and now I can spread here like this, dot dot dot, and I can pass params. Okay, so what it's happening internally, it will be, let me copy this code. So it will be something like this. Here I have 2 parameters, so it will be 2, 3, right? Because I am spreading, so it will be something like this. If I am passing like this param, so it will be in array. Okay, this is not what we wanted. So here we can add 3 dot, so it will be spreading, and it will be like this only. This is not array anymore. So let me execute. As you can see here, I am getting 5, right? So this is the first use where we can use. The next thing, let me comment this. I can use copying a array. So copy a an array. Okay, so let's call it as const array1, and it has some element 1, 2, 3, right? I wanted to create another one new array with same value, right? So what can I do? I can write here a spread operator of array1 directly. Okay, and let me do console log to this array2. Okay, so as you can see here, we are getting same element. Now if you want to add extra field as well, you can add here. Let's consider if you want to add 7, 9. Okay, so let me print. As you can see here, we are getting the array1 data. After that, we are getting this data as well. Okay, so this is how we can copy a array. Now let's talk about concatenation. Okay, so let's comment this line, and here we can write, let's consider I have 2 array. So first array1, and I have with this element. The next array I have like this. So let's define some different element 7 6. Now I wanted to create a array third which have to be combination of array first and array second. So what I can write here, a spread array of 1 comma array of 2. Okay, and now let me console log this one. So array of 3. Okay, and let me execute. Okay, so as you can see here, I have missed here a spread operator and I started getting a square bracket inside the array. So we don't want, so let me put here a spread operator. Okay, as you can see here, we are having the with the element. Okay, this is how we can concatenate array. This was all about a spread operator with array. Okay, now let's come to the object. Let me define an object called person. Okay, this person have name and the name is Vikas, and I can write here age, it's 23. Okay, so let me print this. So console.log person. Okay, as you can see here, I am getting this. Now let's consider I wanted to copy this person into a new object. I can write here const new person equal to, and I can write here a spread operator of person, right? So let me print this new person and execute this. As you can see here, I am getting the same thing. Now if I want to do modification, I want to change the name. So what I can write here, comma name, okay, colon, and I can give some different value. Okay, so let's call it as Dan and execute this. So as you can see here, the name of the previous name was Vikas, but it has been replaced, right, with the Dan. Let me show you here. If you wanted to add some additional property, so you can write here address and you can provide a value here. Okay, so let's call it as India and let me execute this. As you can see here, address, we are getting India. This address property was not available to this person, it's available only in new person, right? So as you can see here, what we were doing with the array, we all things we can do with the object as well, right? So this is how we can use a spread operator in our project. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Thank you for watching.